Should we tear apart Mittens? So this be my 2005 Legacy GT, aka Mittens. And this car is a beautiful runner. Let me show you. Oh! Hi. Oh! Oh, it's just a fuel pump fuse.
Is it? How do you put that back in?
It's just a fuel pump fuse. Trust me, it's gonna run great. There we go. This car is a strong runner. She's a performer. She is a star. And I haven't driven it just because it's just, I haven't wanted to drive it. There's nothing wrong with it. The car runs great. I'll show you. Yeah. It's like, I think it just needs an oil change or something. So we're probably gonna do an oil change on it and it's gonna come back to running great. It's just a little low on oil, so not a big deal, you know. So Mittens back in June of last year did like the blow up job. She done blew herself up. So I'm gonna rip the motor out and I get it on a stand. We're gonna tear it down. We're gonna determine what's wrong with the car. It's more than likely a rod bearing, let's be honest. If not 3 or 4. Definitely not 5. But gonna get it all torn down, figured out, and then hopefully fix it in maybe a week. Probably not a week. Maybe like 2 weeks, because I need money.
You need a motor.
I need a motor, and I need money. It's gonna be a rod bearing. We already know. It's gonna be cylinder 4 like it always is. But I'm gonna start doing that. I'm gonna start tearing the motor out, get it on a stand, get it checked out, and from there we're gonna figure it all out. So let's do it. Dude, I just want to say right now, this totally sucks because this car has sat on the side of my yard for a year and accumulated a shit ton of spiders. And every panel I'm removing, there's like one dude that just crawls out. He's like, hey, what's up, dude? What are you doing? And I'm like, hi. I'm just trying to work here without you like jumping in my mouth. And it's like, no, I'm not gonna be the thing today. Not gonna be the thing today, because that's my plan. I'm gonna jump in your mouth. And then I'm like, no, don't do that. And he still tries it. Dang, boy. Okay, so we got this thing pretty torn apart. I'm gonna call it quits for tonight because it's getting dark and I don't think there's a point in continuing right now. I'm not gonna pull the motor tonight and we've got most of the accessories off to where we can pull it tomorrow. It's supposed to rain in the next couple of days, so we're gonna get it out before that happens. But for now, I had a couple of things on this that I saw that were pretty interesting. Just want to show you guys. For one, this is definitely not a factory turbo. No idea what turbo is on that. The only description it has on there is turbocharger, and everything else I can't read. But yeah, this car's kind of suffered from a few different things. We've got like a rat's nest or something back here by the knock sensor. Everything else is covered in oil. I was really, I don't want to say hoping, but I was interested to see if there was a hole in the block, because when this thing blew up and it got towed into my work, there was oil like all over the top of it. And so I'm kind of upset. I'm not upset. I'm just disappointed that we didn't see some really catastrophic stuff going on here. But it is gross. It's really gross. I'm gonna clean it up. There's also a couple of things that while it's out, I'm probably gonna do. I do wanna do some subtle upgrades to it, maybe fuel lines. Obviously a different turbo, because that turbo, I have no idea what it is. And it didn't boost very well when the car did run. But yeah, I'm probably gonna do some stuff to clean it up. So this will wind up being a little more of a project than I was planning on, just doing a short block or something like that. But I'm excited to get this thing out, get it torn down, and just find out what's going on there. But for now, I'm hungry. It's late. Tanner, I'm sure you're hungry.
I am hungry.
Okay, we're hungry. We gotta edit other videos. It's late. I'm gonna call it one. And tomorrow I'm gonna start back on it. Yeah, that's all I got for you now. Have a good one.